letting people in. I get so tense when they start asking me again. And you say it's stupid, but I'm sure I hate my door. I do the locks each night before I go to bed, and when I wake, someone's undone them all again. I'm too tired to argue anymore. I hate my door. When I've had too much to drink, it's open wide and it scares me. What if something scary comes inside? I hate my door. Someone is always standing there with things to sell, or words to lead me into the prayer. And I don't want to be hurt anymore. I hate my door. If I ever leave this place, I have no faith that it will be there when I come back in to get my things, so I can leave once more. I hate my door.